Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Anker Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro wireless earbuds. Now this is the newest version of their wireless earbuds from Soundcore. I've taken a look at some of them previously here on the channel, but these are the new upgraded version. You've got a brand new design, some really awesome sound features and some great noise cancellation, so let's take a look. Now just a quick disclaimer, these were sent over by Soundcore for the purpose of review, however everything in this video is my own thoughts and opinions. So a little bit of housekeeping with the Liberty 3 Pros. They're coming at £139 here in the UK, and you can get them in 4 different colours. You've got white, a kind of silver-ish blue colour, purple and the black model that I have here. And when it comes to the unboxing, you've got pretty much everything you need inside the packaging, as you can see. We've got a user manual, a little bit more information, and a USB-C cable as well to charge the case, although it can be done with wireless charging as well. You've also then got a ton of different ear tips here. You've got these silicone tips and also some wing tips as well, just to get the perfect fit, the earbuds, and then the charging case itself. And that's kind of where the differences start with Soundcore compared to their competitors. If you look at something from Apple, Sony, or OnePlus, they don't offer nearly as many accessories, and again you may be paying more in some instances. Now yes, okay, the new AirPods for example work really great with iOS, but the AirPods 3 are more of a one size fits all. In regards to anything from Sony, you're going to be paying a bit of a premium to get that Sony sound quality, but is that necessarily justified in the price when you consider how good some of these other headphones actually sound? And then you've got the OnePlus Buds Pro, and if you've seen any coverage on those or any reviews, you kind of know what you're expecting. So overall, in terms of value for money, I haven't yet listened to them, but in regards to what you're going to get inside the packaging, all of the accessories, and the different options in regards to getting that perfect fit in your ear, which again is super important with earbuds, I think Soundcore already, just on presentation alone, are doing a really good job. Now another thing that Soundcore does really well is battery life, and the Liberty 3 Pro are no exception. So you're going to be getting 8 hours with the earbuds themselves and a further 32 hours with the charging case. Now it has quick charge and you can use wireless charging, which again is super convenient, but in terms of the actual battery life, it does a really good job. If you're walking to and from work pretty much every day, for example, if your commute is going to be maybe half an hour there, half an hour back, these are going to last you a full week. And again, if you're traveling to work on any sort of public transport, you're not going to have any issues at all when it comes to the battery life and also that sound quality because of the active noise cancellation. So the Liberty 3 Pros actually feature noise cancellation with a 6 microphone array. Now what this means is you've got some really great noise cancellation built on board, and also using the Soundcore application you've got 3 different levels to choose from low, medium and high, and they all kind of do different things. If you're working from home, for example, and you've got the low rumble of an air conditioning unit behind you, or you're on a train, or you're in a very busy environment, you've got different levels of noise cancellation that actually do a really good job. Not to mention the actual fit of the earbuds themselves is extremely good, and again using the multiple silicone tips and earwings that you get on board, you're pretty much able to get a really good seal. Now don't get me wrong, active noise cancellation is good, but it does eat into the battery life, so having a really good seal with the actual ear itself is key when it comes to earbuds. That's for me why I don't necessarily get along with any of Apple's standard AirPods. The Pros are a little bit better because they do have a silicone tip, but again the brand new AirPods 3, they just don't fit in my ear very well, leak a ton of sound, and also let a load of sound coming in as well. So we've got a plus for the accessories and value for money, and also the actual fit and finish of the earbuds themselves. So how about the sound quality? Well, I was actually super surprised at how good these actually sounded. Now, don't get me wrong, Soundcore products in general, as I featured here on the channel, feature really good sound, but for £139, I wasn't necessarily expecting them to be as good as they actually are. Now, also some of the other features like the active noise cancellation do definitely help in regards to getting some really good clear sound quality, but overall they actually sounded absolutely incredible. For me, I listen to a ton of different music genres, from acoustic music, which is pretty chilled, up to heavy metal, which is super fast paced, really loud, and there's a ton of instruments involved, and it done well pretty much with any song that I put it through its paces. Now for me, I test all headphones on the channel here, whether it's earbuds or over ear, with a ton of different music genres, and again using it for, Bluetooth streaming on Netflix, Disney Plus, whatever it may be, to see exactly how good the Bluetooth delay is going to be, and also listening to some podcasts to see how good voices sounds. However, what I also do is listen to a song called In This Shirt by the Irrepressibles. Now this is a really good song to test out headphone quality. There are multiple different layers, tons of stuff going on within the song itself, so I'd highly recommend listening to it on your new pair of headphones, or just in general whatever pair you're using currently, to see if it actually sounds any good. Now for me this is a really great test of earphones because again it's got some bass to it, it's got some really highs, and the mids themselves sound pretty crisp as well, and on the Liberty 3 Pro it sounds pretty good to my ears. Now the actual earbuds themselves have been completely redesigned with ACAA 2.0. Now that basically means that what actually makes up the headphone itself has completely changed, and you can kind of see that from the tip. If you don't have the silicone tip on there, as you can see that it has a really nice design to it, and that really allows the music to flow freely through the earbud itself. You can also use the Soundcore application to activate the Hear ID. Now, what that basically allows you to do is listen to different frequencies of sounds with the application, and it will actually tune the headphones to basically what you can and can't hear. And it also does a couple of things with regards to the EQ presets as well, just so you can get a perfect sound exactly for you. So again, pretty personalized. So overall, can I recommend the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros? Well, of course I can. At £139 and cheaper than some of the competition and sounding better than some of the competition, it's kind of a no-brainer. Now yes, don't get me wrong, the case itself could be a little bit smaller. It doesn't fit in my change pocket on my jeans, which is pretty much where I put all of my earbuds, for example. So the case itself is a little bit bigger than maybe what you're getting with some cases, but you've got that really awesome battery life, new redesigned look, and the sound quality is incredible. Now they're not necessarily for everyone. The actual earbud itself is a little bit bigger than what you may find with some other competition, but just in general for the sound quality, I don't really mind that it sticks out maybe a little bit further than some of the other earbuds that I've tried. But as always, headphone reviews here on the channel are really hard to do because it is personal to me, my sound preference, and also my ears in regards to how well or not well the actual earbuds fit. But let me know in the comment section down below if you're going to be picking up any new earbuds recently and exactly what you're going to be looking at, or just in general what you're using at the moment and kind of maybe why. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so, and also hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.